In this video, we're going to talk about how you can get an entry-level customer success job with no experience, no degree, with just a high school diploma. So like I always do, I start off with the money because I want you to know what you're going to make if you consider this field. And as I always say, nobody works for free. So we see here the average salary, and notice it says base salary is $73,709 per year. Now, the lower 10% will earn somewhere around $51K and up, and the top percent can earn about $113K, but generally the median, people will fall within this range, all right? Now, base salary, if you see here, is from 51 to 113. Bonuses can be about 3K to 24K. And then you have the profit sharing, which is 1K to 16K. And then you also have the commissions, which is either 2K to 31K. And so as you can see, you can make some pretty decent money when you add up your bonuses, your profit sharing, and your commissions. So just keep in mind, and this is just the number I would have you keep in mind, expect somewhere between $50,000 and $60,000 as a base salary. Because keep in mind, this is entry level, no experience, right? And you're coming in the door, $50,000 to $60,000. Keep that range, okay? That's the ideal range for you coming into this role. So now, what would be expected of you in this role? Well, you have to enjoy working with and helping people. And you're going to see why in a minute. Love to learn something new daily, not weekly, daily. You're going to see why in the next slide. Love to solve problems. Be comfortable with metrics, okay? Not necessarily quotas per se, although that might exist, but be comfortable with metrics, KPIs, and things of that nature, because there's certain metrics you're going to have to meet. It's not as difficult as you think, but trust me, when you first hear about it, it might shock you. Be driven by results, okay? That's important. And then be organized in detail. So let's look at what you're going to be doing in this role. So one of the things you're going to be doing is building customer advocates. You want raving fans of the business. So let's look at this, okay? Let's say you're working with a company, and let's say the tech salesperson got the appointment, the account executive closed the deal. Now they're going to get passed on to you as the customer success person, because your role is to help the customer to get the benefits from using the software or the product or the service. So your job is to identify what their needs are and then help them to achieve their goals. Meaning, what was the reason why they decided to go with your product, your service, your hardware, your software? Now, that deliverable has to be achieved, or it has to be worked towards eventually being achieved. However, in addition to that, as you're helping them to achieve that goal, you also want to keep them and grow revenue. So as you identify more problems that they have, you can say, you know what? We have additional services you can take advantage of that would help you with this problem that you mentioned to me last week. And the whole time in customer success, you're ensuring that the customer needs are met. If they run into any roadblocks, that feedback that you give it to product development. and you let them know, hey, this is not working. They're running into roadblocks. There's too much friction with this process. This has to be improved. This is what I'm hearing. And so there's this feedback loop where you hear from the customer, you communicate it to product or programmers, whomever, they give you feedback. Then you tell the customer, hey, we were able to fix or streamline this problem. This is how you can use it now. So when I said learn something every day, that's what I'm talking about. You're going to be learning something every single day about the customer, about your product or service or software. So you have to be curious. You have to want to learn. This role will require you to learn. You're going to handle onboarding of customers, helping them implement, and training. And it's so much you're going to be doing with this role. And I'm just giving you a very small piece of what this role will do, because the actual training is going to help you to go over in a little more detail what's going to be required of you in the role. So I encourage you to visit ShawnNelson.info/CC. The link is below, and take that free training. Sign up and see if customer success field would be something that's good for you. And then if you think it might be a good fit, then sign up, invest 6 to 8 weeks, and you can be in your new customer success role. It doesn't cost you anything, absolutely anything, to take that free training and to see if that customer success role is a good fit for you. I'm going to be honest with you. If you're not someone who loves to talk and interact with customers, if you don't like to learn every day and problem solve and provide feedback, not only to the customer, but to the product team, then you're going to have a very big problem working in this role. I'm just going to be honest with you. Like, this is really about the customer. And if you do a great job in this role, there's so much upside potential, so much. But keep in mind, this is not for everyone. So if you want to learn more, to see if this is a good fit for you, click the link below. Visit ShawnNelson.info/CC. Take the free training. At the very least, take the free training and see for yourself, is this role that could potentially pay me between $50,000 and $60,000 to start with no experience, no degree? You could be coming straight out of high school and get this role, because they're going to train you. You know, hey, it might be a good fit for you. Learn more about it. Take those 3 free modules that they give you. It's about 20, 25 minutes each. Watch one each day if you press for time, and see for yourself if this is a good fit. Because if it is, the small investment that they're asking of you, which is $500, okay, $500 investment, within 6 to 8 weeks, you can turn that $500 investment into $50,000 to $60,000 in a salary. Where in the world could you do that anywhere else? Honestly. So do yourself a favor. Visit ShawnNelson.info/CC. Click the link below, and then take that free training to see if the customer success role is a good fit for you. If it's not, it's okay. Find something that is a good fit for you. You take care, you be safe, and you stay blessed.